Ayan na pala. Ito na pala yung old na ano. Ayan na guys, ang tulay. Ayan. We are headed on the bridge na old bridge. Ayan ang tao. Lang matigsod. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Czech Republic, dito sa Praga. At syempre, nakikita nyo ang bridge. Ayan, pinaka-oldest bridge dito sa Praga. So, ayan guys. Maganda nga. Ang ganda. As you can see sa ano, talaga namang napaka-historical. And syempre, makikita nyo doon sa likod ang this bridge, yung castle, then yung mga churches.
Punta ka doon, nandun yung para makita mo yung bridge.
Oo nga. Sige. So, punta tayo sa bridge. Ayan. Nakapicture ka na doon? Oo. Papicture naman, oh. Punta tayo sa bridge. Ayan. may mga kantahan, sayawan dito sa Prague. So if you want to come here, just check out my vlog and let's enjoy the Prague moment. Ayan, finally, nandito tayo sa Karlův Bridge, ang pinaka-famous na bridge sa Czech Republic or tinatawag na Karlův ʻmost. Isa siyang medieval stone arch bridge that crosses the Vltava River in Prague, Czech Republic. Its construction started in 1357 under the auspices of King Charles IV. Kaya tinatawag siyang Charles Bridge because nga kay King Charles IV, and finished in the early 15th century. The bridge replaced the old Judith Bridge built in 1158 until 1172 that had been badly damaged by flood in 1342. This new bridge was originally called Stone Bridge or Kamenný most, or Prague Bridge or Pražský most, but has been referred as Karlův Bridge since 1870. As the only means of crossing the river Vltava until 1841. Karlův Bridge was the most important connection between Prague Castle and the city's old town and adjacent areas, which on my other vlog, nakita nyo yung old town. Ayan, this land connection made Prague important as a trade route between Eastern and Western Europe. At isa pang history guys, isa siyang UNESCO World Heritage Site. The bridge is 516 meters or 1,693 feet long and nearly 10 meters or 30 feet wide. Following the example of the stone bridge in Regensburg, it was built as a bow bridge with 16 arcs shielded by ice guard. The bridge is decorated by a continuous alley of 30 statues. Most of them is baroque style, originally erected around 1700, but now all have been replaced by replicas. The bridge is currently undergoing a 20-year process of structural inspections, restorations, and repairs. The process started in late 2019 and it is expected to cost 45 to 60 million Czech koruna or 1.9 or till 2.6 million US dollars. The avenue of 30 mostly baroque statues and statuaries situated on the baluster form a unique connection of artistic style with the underlying Gothic bridge. Most sculptures were erected between 1683 and 1714. They depict various saints and patron saints venerated at that time. The most prominent Bohemian sculptor of the time took part in decorating the bridge, such as Matthias Braun, Jan Bruckhoff, and his son Michael Joseph and Ferdinand Maximilian. Among the most notable sculptures, one can find the statuaries of Saint Luthgard, the Holy Crucifix and Calvary, and John of Nepomuk. Well known also is the statue of the Knight Brunswick, although it was erected from 200 years later and does not belong to the main avenue. Beginning in 1965, all the statues has been systematically replaced by replicas, and the originals has been exhibited in the lapidarium of the National Museum of Czech Republic. Ayan, finally, nalakad na natin ang Karlův Bridge. So, we are headed to the Prague Castle naman. So, makikita natin doon ang Prague, pero sa susunod kong vlog, makikita nyo, aakyat tayo, paakyat po ang castle. So, I think 100 to 200 steps siguro. Hindi ko na binilang, guys. So, So, ayan. Lakad ulit. So, punta tayo sa Prague Castle. Hopefully, see you again on my next vlog at ipapakita ko ang daan papunta sa castle and also doon sa castle mismo lilibutin natin at makikita doon napakaganda at makikita din overlooking ang city ng Prague kasi nandun sa taas po ang castle. So, ayan, lalakarin natin pataas. So, good luck to me. Ayan. Ano ba yan, guys? Samahan niyo ako maglakad ulit and let's enjoy the view. Ayan. Tayo sa castle. Ayan, medyo akyatan ng konti. At napapansin nyo, hingal na ang yung paghinga ko at mataas-taas na yung stairs pa. So, kung kaya nyo, kaya ba? Yeah. Kaya pa, Audrey? Ay, Audrey. Leia, natin Leia. Nauna na ba si Audrey? Nauna na sila? Wow.